The only thing I'm clear about these days is, yes, I want to do a safari because I always come back very enriched, happy, and it's very focused the way I like it because I don't like shopping and I don't like all that. That's one of the reasons. If I plan a trip, it's usually around a safari trip.
I ended up in Pench because I am the wildlife enthusiast. So basically, I thought to come to the wildlife sanctuary from like around 2 to 3 years. So and I am keep searching. So who will give company to me and who will accompany me. I searched in Instagram and websites everywhere. I ended up contacting Shashank Birla. He said we have available tickets in Pench. So directly I said they should book it for me.
Okay, Pench is definitely unique, and it's got everything. It's got greenery. It's got all the shades of wildlife in it. All the sounds of wildlife in it. Lots of water bodies. And you get to see a variety of you get to see and hear a variety of sounds coming from the forest, and in general it keeps you on the edge.
I think every forest is special and has its unique characteristics and character, whether it's the terrain or the trees or the landscape. I find every forest I visit, I feel, well, this is the most beautiful. So Pench is also like that. But yes, there are some special features, like some unique trees I saw here, like the crocodile skin tree and the ghost tree, which I didn't see before, or maybe I didn't notice it, which Sanskriti explained to me and enlightened me on a lot of birds around in this area. And I hope I learn much more about birds the next time I come.
I have seen a wide variety of animals, including herbivores, carnivores, and even birds. Okay, coming to the birds, I have seen like oriole and hornbill, like eagle, different types of owls, and some Indian roller. It is like sambar deer and spotted deer. So and even the bison, Indian gaur.
Spotted deer, they are my favorites. Then sambar. Then there were lots of birds and owls that we saw. We also saw eagles and then crocodiles. One interesting thing that I saw was the night bird. We were just coming back, that night bird that was in. Then peacocks.
The most memorable sighting, of course, is the tiger today. Maybe more so because we struggled to sight it and we just couldn't. We'll come back without sighting it, and then there'll be others telling us they saw cubs, and that was even more disappointing. But today was like, it was very focused. We thought we don't want to see anything but the tiger because we've seen almost everything else. So I guess the highlight is the tiger sighting today.
So everybody is very desperate to see the tiger. Our guides and my organizer Sanskriti and even the driver also, they are scanning everything, every inch by inch in the forest. So in the fifth trip, we have waited like around 1.5 hours in a single spot to get a tiger sight. Suddenly a big male guy, he is like a sub-adult, and Trishul's son, I think he is. Yeah, he appeared. So we were all got stunned.
The Park Bukija experience was really good. It's a great property. It gives you the right amount of comfort and also gives you the rustic feel. The food is of course the highlight here. The cooks here, the team here is very helpful and they cook super food. You will not feel like it's a generic hotel food, because you cannot eat hotel food more than 2 days. But here every day we were eating, and everything was freshly prepared, and they were ready to make anything for us.
Bagh Bagicha is a very comfortable, homely place. The rooms are very comfortable for us, and the food is just like home. After a safari, you really want simple food, you don't want heavy food, and that was really good here. And the people who serve us also were very accommodating. I think whatever we wanted, they got it made, and even the owner was very helpful, even for locating tigers and all. He was a very positive person. I think he also helped us, and it's been a happy experience at this Bagh Bagicha Resort.
Coming to the drivers and the guides, they have an amazing tracking skills. Whenever they heard the tracking, alarm sounds, and trailing, their trailing is so amazing. So that we are able to see a very wide variety of animals. So even we spotted tiger just because of them. They have the amazing driving skills also.
They understand the behavior of the animals very well. Yeah, they were spot on in terms of how to track a particular tiger, and they were quite alert throughout the whole safari, trying to get that movement for us. As I said, it took us 5 safaris to spot the tiger, but they were tenacious in trying to find that particular cue. Yeah. So yeah, they were great. They are great, definitely.
So I've been going with Wilderlust, and my host has been Shashank Birla, and this is my first trip with Sanskriti Singh, and of course I was a little unsure in the beginning because I've not gone with her before, and I'm quite used to Shashank Birla, so I just trusted him, and I had a very happy experience with her. I think she's ready to enlighten us wherever we've asked questions. She's tried her level best to explain. She's very knowledgeable and well-read and very enthusiastic about learning.
Our trip is organized by Sanskriti. She got a great knowledge on plants and animals. So she's a best naturalist. Okay. And she explained everything regarding plants, and why I don't know about the plants, trees, anything. She said different variety of trees, and I have learned many things from her. I even learned photography from her, so I learned that thing also.
Was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.